I got this middle. I got the one, and I have that one. This one have a gold tone and a silver tone, and I got this, and I have this three in this, and I have this red one, and I got this blue one, and the white one. I have this one is the plain blue with the like that. So I separate them. I did not really read it yet. So I just removed them from the cellophane. I put them one by one, but I think I'm gonna put them together. We'll see. So we'll see first if what's just wait. So I just put them in this thing in here. So I need to look at it. What's this? It's kind of like a pin, and then they said it's like a music festival. So one, good thing they're not broken or anything. Still has the thing. I got this at the auction. I think they're all together, so I just separate them in the ziploc over here. But I think I don't know if I'm gonna put one by one or I just put them in a group together. I don't know if I sell it together, everything, or I wish it's gold, but it's not. That's kind of nice. Pop, what you doing, Pop? Puppy, you sleepy, Pop? You gonna go night night? Good boy. And then I got that blue one. I will see this. This one is Wisconsin. Did this one say Wisconsin? Oh, that's Wisconsin probably. I'm not sure, but probably the same. Wisconsin. Jessica. This one, that one is gold tone, and this one is a silver tone. Good thing the pin are working. This one has a copper look. So there's three of them. This one. And then this one is the red. So I think they're all the same. And this one is a little more reddish, and the other one the same thing. And this one is blue. And then this one is white. different design. So I have 3 of this, the same thing, and the same. This one is a silver tone. So and this one is 3 of them, 3 of them, and then and this one has 3 of them, the white one. And so okay, see you later.